The anointed women. How to use Psalm 45 to activate feminine energy for marriage, favor, and peace. How to activate your feminine energy, God's secret code. If you feel drained, hard, and like you have to chase love, money, and peace, your feminine energy is off, and it is not your fault. The world taught you to survive like a man, but God made you soft for a reason. Today, I'll give you His code to turn it back on in 7 good days without losing your fire. Your feminine energy is off. You need to reactivate it immediately. Feminine energy is spiritual. It is not weakness. Proverbs 31 verse 25 says, she is clothed with strength and dignity. Esther 2 verse 12 says, she spent 6 months with oil of myrrh and 6 months with perfume. God uses preparation. Femininity is power under control. Masculinity chases, while femininity attracts. So, before I go ahead into this video, give it a powerful thumbs up. If this is the very first time you are finding yourself in this channel, you're highly welcome. Please kindly hit the red subscribe button and the bell notification so as to always get my next upload. For my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for always stopping by. So without wasting time, let's dive in. You see, Esther 2 verse 12 says, Esther being anointed, then she became a magnet, pulling flowers, ring, peace icon. That is law of manifestation. Here is the problem. Trauma, survival, and sin normally shut down your feminine energy. Lamentations 1 verse 6 says, from the daughter of Zion, all her beauty is departed. When beauty leaves, struggle enters. Now, this is 3 signs that your feminine energy is off. You are always tired. Men don't pursue you. They try to use you and abandon you. You feel no joy in being a woman. My dear, once you see these 3 signs, your feminine energy is off. Women working hard alone, man walking away, women in mirror, sad, and all sorts. When you look at yourself in mirror, you are very sad. That is not feminine energy for you. Now, how do you turn back on your feminine energy? There are 3 parts. 1, you must sanctify, you must manifest, and you must anoint. What do I mean? Bible said in book of Romans 12 verse 2, be ye transformed by renewing your mind. You must divorce the lie that soft means weak. Write this, I am God's daughter. My softness is a weapon. Burn the old belief. Because 1 Thessalonians 5:23 says God sanctifies spirit, soul, and body. So, you must write in your journal or in a paper, burn it and declare that every form of masculinity in you, you are burning it off. You need to understand law of manifestation. Mark 11:24 says, whatever you ask in prayer, believe you receive it, and it will be yours. Feminine energy receive. We are the last born of God. God saw the need of women and created them. Masculine energy goes to get. Every morning, you always put your hand on your heart and declare, I am clothed with strength and dignity. I attract godly love, favor, and peace. And I also declare, men honor me. See it, feel it, don't just say it. Thank God for it before it shows, because that is what feminine energy is all about. They receive, not chase. Number 3, after anoint, God put medicine in creation. Ezekiel 47 verse 12 says, the leaf is for the medicine. These are not juju. According to 1 Samuel 15:22. These 4 items to awaken your feminine code. Use these 4 items to awaken your feminine code. Olive oil, rose petals, scent leaf, and hyssop. Where you don't have rose petals, use hibiscus tea, hibiscus flower. Where you don't have hyssop, use cinnamon. Alright. So how do you use it? When David was anointed, the Spirit came on him. So always anoint your forehead daily. Declare Psalm 45 verse 11. The king desires my beauty. Begin to declare, I have stopped chasing, I am desired. Then rose petal or rose water, according to Sons of Solomon 2 verse 1, I am the rose of Sharon. Rose represent love, beauty, as well as Christ. So add to your bath water and soak it for 20 minutes, then boil it a little bit and declare, I am the rose of Sharon. I am loved. Discover that it helps to heal all your heart wound. Those previous hurt will be healed and it restores softness. Number 3, saint leave. Second Corinthians 2:15 say we are sweet savor of Christ. So you boil it, use it to mop your room, drink it as tea. You will always see that your presence becomes sweet. Favor will always locate you. Now, the last one is either you get hyssop or cinnamon. Psalm 51 verse 10 say, purge me with hyssop and I shall be clean. So, use it, boil and bat it. In other words, boil water, add a kind of cinnamon, a spoon of cinnamon in it, and then put your right middle finger, pray your intention, and begin to use it to bath because it will help to remove shame, reproach, and make you to be attracted. Add salt to it and use it to declare that you are breaking every soul ties that will make you not to get the rightful people into your life. And then after you done bathing, feel clean, light, and worthy. You can do it for 3 good times consistently in a week, and you always see God in action, helping you to activate your feminine code. So if you find this video helpful, why not give it a powerful thumbs up, share it to others, because you might actually be helping lots of people. So do so. May God bless. If you are not subscribed, why not subscribe, hit the bell notification so as to always get my next upload. So with this I say enjoy your day. Bye bye. Awaken Mind Spirituality Global Academy is admitting new students. Awaken Your Spirit sponsor is so enroll in Ansga now. Have you ever felt like your destiny was greater than your current reality? Do you hunger for spiritual clarity, divine power, and total life transformation? Then welcome to Awaken Mind Spirituality Global Academy, a 12-week apostolic and prophetic spiritual journey led by Pastor Mrs. Jennifer Shioma Shidozie. This is not just a course, it is a calling, it is your spiritual home. Thousands have already encountered prophetic reality, healing, marriage restoration, and destiny alignment through AMSGA. Yet another cohort is beginning. Don't come alone. Sponsor is so, be a destiny helper. WhatsApp us on +2348067917535. Awaken, ascend, arise, join Awaken Mind Spirituality Global Academy, where heaven meets earth and purpose is born. Get more information from the community and the pinned comment of our videos. God bless you as you come on board.